Hi everyone, my name is Ambrose Bright and I did my post-graduation in genomic science from Central University of Kerala. 2 years of education at Central University gave me an opportunity to study my favorite field under the supervision of eminent professors. And having my batchmates from various parts of India made the whole academic experience totally memorable. Huge motivation and support provided from my mentor and other faculty members helped me to pursue my PhD at Radboud University, Netherlands. And right now, I am pursuing my postdoctoral research at Max Planck Institute of Neurobiology, Germany. And I'm really proud of being an alumnus of Central University of Kerala. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Maran Verghese. I'm from Kerala. I completed my postgraduate studies in chemistry from the Central University of Kerala in 2019, and now I'm working as a PhD student in the Eindhoven University of Technology, Netherlands. During my postgraduate studies in CUK, I was greatly inspired by the academic activities, curriculum, and the research methodologies adopted by the faculties to pursue a research-oriented career. With the guidance of my professors, I was able to attend the summer internship program at Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, short for JNCSR in Bangalore. I think all this research exposure laid a really good groundwork for pursuing PhD in the subject of my interest. So, I'm a proud alumni of CUK and I assure and envision a successful career for the future students with the level of encouragement and support provided by the university. Thank you and good luck.
Everyone, I am Divya Dinesh. I am from Delhi. I have completed my post-graduation in genomic science from Central University of Kerala. The curriculum covers all dynamics of genomics. The guidance of proficient professors and exposure to high-end technologies helped in developing high skill. With their supervision, I got an opportunity to do internship in national premier institutes like Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology and National Institute of Immunology. The diverse crowd and vibrant campus made the journey delightful. So for an insightful and lively experience, come and join Central University.
Hi guys, my name is Swati Das and right now I'm speaking to you from South Korea, and I'm really glad to speak to you as an alumni of Central University of Kerala because I was a part since 2015 batch when I enrolled here as a master's course student in the plant science department. So I'd say that at the time I was a novice and a newbie from northeastern part of India who really didn't know how to fulfill her dreams but had quite really high hopes and ambition for my career development. And at that time I'd say that Central University of Kerala really made a huge difference in my life because it helped me to structure up my self-confidence as well as level up my game in achieving my goal. I'm really thankful to my professors in CUK for helping me achieve my dreams. Right now, I'm doing PhD in Korea and my research field is in crop genome editing, which is another advancement of technology in plant biology. It was really achievable only because of my professor's dedication who really pushed me to do hard work and also gave me ample amount of time and energy of theirs.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम कृतिका मोहपात्र है और मैं केरल केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालय के भूतत्व विज्ञान विभाग अथवा जियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट से स्नातकोत्तर अथवा पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की छात्री रह चुकी हूँ। यह एक ऐसे विश्वविद्यालय है जहाँ पे आपको उच्च स्तर की शिक्षा के साथ साथ एक श्रेष्ठ श्रेणी की प्रयोगशाला सुविधाएं भी प्रदान किए जाते हैं। हमारे प्रयोगशाला सुविधाओं में आपको उन्नत स्तर की मशीनरी भी प्रदान किए जाते हैं। यह एक ऐसी विश्वविद्यालय है जहाँ पे प्रत्यात्मक आपको स्मार्ट क्लासेस के साथ साथ फील्ड टू स्टडीज़ में भी एक अनुकूल वातावरण और एक इंटरैक्टिव कक्षा क्षेत्र प्रदान करते हैं। यह विश्वविद्यालय एक पर्यावरण के अनुकूल अथवा इको फ्रेंडली कैंपस होने के साथ साथ अनेक समाज सेवक अथवा सोशल वर्क विंग्स और स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटीज़ को प्रोत्साहित करती है। मेरे 2 वर्ष के अनुभव से मैं आपको यह कह सकती हूँ कि अगर आप अपने भविष्य को उन्नत हाथों में देखना चाहते हैं तो केरल केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालय को निसंकोच होकर चुनें।
My name is Akhil Jyotish and have completed my post-graduation in computer science from CUK. Students coming from different parts of the globe helped me to experience the enriching diversity among us. Our institute had been organizing a lot of curricular and co-curricular activities aiming at the academic enrichment of the students. The courses are designed to equip the students for IT industry and for streamlining and taking up research in intelligent system. So, pursue your career by joining Central University of
I'm
Kerala.
Aishwarya Robert. I finished my Masters in Environmental Science from the Department of Earth Science Systems at Central University of Kerala. The guidance I have received from the mentors at the university has really helped me in building a career in academia. It has also helped me in getting positions at prestigious institutes like IISc Bangalore, Wildlife Institute of India and CSIR NEERI Nagpur. The experience and the mentorship from the university has also helped me in getting a UGC NET JRF, and right now I'm doing my PhD. Another important aspects of a university life is especially the university ambience and the peer group. The networks and the sort of friendships and the conversations I've had at the university has really molded me as an individual and really contributed to my growth as a person.
I'm Yayati Naresh Pallai, PhD student in Institute of Catalysis, Hokkaido University, Japan. I completed my Masters in Chemistry from Central University of Kerala in 2017. I would say the time spent in Central University of Kerala will be among few of the best moments of my life, as I learned so much other than the obvious, which is chemistry. I learned so much about different people, different aspects of life, professionalism, and other things. Being in a multicultural environment, I learned very initial things in research from Central University of Kerala. After the end of master's course, I went on to publish my first research article, which obviously gave me more advantage in seeking for my PhD positions.
Hi all, it's me Hasna Jahan here. I have completed MSc in Physics from Central University of Kerala and qualified NET JRF and GATE examinations. I am here to share with you my awesome experience in Central University of Kerala. First of all, let me tell you about our unique course structure. Apart from teaching only the theory, we have a problem-based course structure which really helped us to crack the competitive entrance examinations very easily. The guidance given by our well-qualified and experienced faculty members helped us to enhance our interest towards research, and through them, we got a lot of opportunities in our student life. I can say mine with pleasure. I got a fortune to participate in SOP 4 days workshop in IISc Bangalore, and I also got selection to the summer internship program of Indian Academy of Science. Now about the campus. The infrastructure is really charming and well established. The campus life really influences our personality development and our extracurricular skills, and we get a wide network of friendship all over India and a wide exposure. So friends, if you get a chance, come and join Central University of Kerala to mold your future. All the best.
Hi everyone, this is Lucky Das from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I pursued my post-graduation in Central University of Kerala. This university has great library and lab facilities. Apart from that, this university gave me opportunity to interact and learn from great noble, knowledgeable professors, due to which now I am getting a lot of opportunities to enter into premier institutes of India like CSIR, ICMR and whatnot. And I am sure that this university will also act as a turning point in your career also. So go ahead and pursue your degrees from Central University of Kerala. Best wishes.
Hi, I'm Biplab Saikia and I am from Assam of Northeast India. During 2 years master program at the Department of Genomic Science of CUK, I got a chance to work as a summer intern at CSIR IGIB, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, which is one of the premier science research institutes of India. Good laboratory facilities and excellent mentorship from the friendly professors of CUK helped me learn to think critically, and in the third semester of the program, I was able to crack CSIR JRF as well.
This is Shishira Suresh. I did my Masters in Physics from Central University of Kerala. Those 2 wonderful years are unforgettable and I still cherish all memories of that. We got this amazing opportunity to mingle with students from all parts of India. The dedicated faculty members of the institute, especially my teachers and my mentor, played a great role in molding us. They always encouraged and motivated us to take risks, and learn new ideas. It's always good to be taught by teachers who are the best. The research experience I got from CUK helped me to get admission in University of Ottawa in Canada. Currently, I am pursuing my PhD in physics with specialization in nanophotonics. I'm super proud to say that I'm an alumnus of CUK. It's always been a pleasure to be part of the CUK family. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a PhD scholar in the Catalysis and Inorganic Chemistry Division at CSIR National Chemical Laboratory. I have completed my Masters in Chemistry from the Department of Chemistry in Central University of Kerala. The academic experience and the laboratory skills that I gained from the university have strengthened my skills and research aptitude qualities, and also the guidance and the motivation that I have received from my teachers there have really influenced me to shape my career as a researcher. I think it is the faculties of different area of expertise and the laboratory facilities as well as a research oriented academic curriculum are the strength of Department of Chemistry, and it is also my pleasure to mention that it was always my privilege and pride to be recognized as the student of my teachers there at CUK in my current institute NCL as well.
I am Amala Jose. I completed my post-graduation in physics from Central University of Kerala. The best part about CU Kerala is a bunch of intellectual faculties who are not only experts in their own research fields but also very helpful and friendly. They will guide you to various internship programs in prestigious institutions, just like I got an internship at Institute for Plasma Research, Gujarat. Also, the curriculum is designed in accordance with various competitive exams, which will definitely give you the skills to crack them. It's a place where researchers from all over the world gathers. So join CU Kerala for a joyful and enriching learning experience.
Hi, my name is Gopika. I post-graduated from the Department of Chemistry, Central University of Kerala in the year 2020. My experience in CUK, both campus as well as the department, has been wonderful. The teaching and non-teaching staff of the department are very cooperative and supportive. The infrastructure of the building and the lab facilities in the department are commendable. During my course, I was able to also do a summer project in a very prestigious university like the Central University of Hyderabad because of the guidance and constant inspiration from my teachers. The 2 years that I spent in CUK has helped me learn a lot more about my subject and understand it on a deeper level, as well as inculcate a passion for research. Right now, I am preparing for the NTA CSIR examination. Welcome to all the freshers. I hope you all have a wonderful time in Central University of Kerala. Thank you.
Shida Pradhan. I completed my MSc from Department of Genomic Science, Central University of Kerala. The university has proficient professors who helped us in every possible way. The labs have advanced technologies and friendly environment that helped us in learning new experiences as well as to fit in this competent world. So, never miss a chance to make a bright career and do join Central University of Kerala.
Everyone, I am Sneha Harish from Kerala. I have completed my post-graduation in Genomic Science from Central University of Kerala. I am very glad to be a part of this amazing university which has very efficient and dedicated faculty with high-class laboratory. This institution provides you with value-added education system that helps students in attaining a wonderful career in their respective field. So don't miss your opportunity to be a part of this university, which is situated in the serene Tejaswini Hills of Kasaragod district of Kerala.
I am Shikha Shivakumar. I completed my post-graduation in physics from Central University of Kerala. The curriculum and teaching covers all the important aspects of physics and gets us equipped for any further studies. We have proficient teachers with excellent research background who are perfect examples to follow. The experimental lab facilities and high-end computational facilities helped us build a research attitude and ignited in me a strong will to pursue research. Efficient teachers and the facilities solely helped me clear different competitive exams like GATE and NET. I owe a great deal to the department and to the university for whatever I could achieve. The cheerful and energetic campus made the journey more joyful. So I would strongly urge you to join Central University of Kerala for a joyful and a productive learning.
Hi everyone, my name is Supin KK. I completed my post-graduation in chemistry from Central University of Kerala. It was a great journey of 2 years over there. The institute provides world-class facility, awesome ambience, a state-of-art laboratories equipped with advanced instrument and hospitality. The professors were designated renowned in their respective field and provided us with a student-friendly environment. So, if you want to pursue a career, you can join Central University of Kerala.